Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver of any Gigabyte devices. After that you can see this is search box, so just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790S DDR4, then hit enter. And then click on this. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you required and using, so Windows 10 and 11. So if you are use any, okay, so installations process same. So audio driver, you can see this is size, and let's click to download. It will click to download, it will start downloading. Like I already downloaded this one, 165 MB. Just open it, and this is exe. So you have to double click because this is extracted driver in this. So when you click to double, require the administrator rights for yes no. If you set this password, so you have to enter the administrator password, otherwise you know, just click on the yes, then click to yes. After you can see this is extracting. Now this is installing. Now this is installing the audio driver. It will take some time because your system is installing in the background. So it is closed means this is installed. Automatically only this is installed, and then close it. Chipset driver. So Intel serial, and click to download. It will start downloading. Then open it. Then double click to exe, and then yes. This is installing, and then close. Then try this one, Intel INF installer, and just click to download. Also this complete, and just open it, then double click to exe, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed and then closed. LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. You can see it is start downloading. So it is done, already downloaded. You can see 10.2 and just open and double click to exe. Now click to yes. Now LAN driver installing. So it is a close automatically, means this is installed. Then you can see this is VGA. So Intel graphic driver and click to download. It will start downloading, you can see. It will take some time, depend about your internet. Then it is done. So click to open. This is Intel VGA graphic card. So this is extracted. So you have to double click. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting and installing. Wait few seconds to complete. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds to complete. So this is close automatically. This is installed. After that, close it.